Breaking news. A pilot at Manchester Airport has captured what many are calling the clearest photos of a UAP ever seen. The pilot noticed a spherical object during heavy rain and began taking photos. The object, about the size of a small car, appeared to swirl with blue and white colors. Some say you can even see a face in one of the close-up shots. The UAP was spotted hovering 500 to 1,000 feet in the air, completely stationary. Airport security sent a car to investigate on the ground while the pilot captured the moment on camera. The photos were posted on Twitter and quickly went viral on Reddit, with users stunned by the detail. Soon after, the Twitter account that originally posted the images was deleted, and the photos were removed. But it's too late. The photos, a GIF, and even a video of the object have been saved and are spreading everywhere. What do you think? Is this the clearest evidence that aliens are real and they are here?
What in the ever-living fuck is that? Oh my god, that's so scary. What is that? I'm not even tripping. Oh, that's so scary. Oh my god. Like, I'm not tripping, right? What is that? That's an sky right now. I think this is it. I think this is them aliens.
The Director of National Intelligence just a few days ago released a new report on 144 sightings of what they call unidentified aerial phenomena. Virtually all of them remain unexplained. Whatever these are, they appear to not only be technology.
现在是凌晨1:40啊，这个是个什么景象啊？有谁知道吗？这是在上海的大街宝山。
So many sightings. What's happening?
Telling me we don't know what the hell these drones are in New Jersey are?
Another drone?
That's right. It's crazy. I mean, that's crazy. That's madness that we don't know what these drones are.
We have no idea where these drones come from, who owns them. We should be doing some very urgent intelligence analysis and take them out of the skies, especially if they're flying over airports or military bases.